Elijah? Johan Nampusto.
China.
It's Teacher's Day!
Good morning, teacher! Good morning, kids! Come on in! I love my teacher so much. So much! She's really, really good to me. So good! It's so much fun to study with her. I love my teacher so much. So much! My teacher cheers me up all the time. All the time! She's really, really good to me. So good! Whenever I'm down, she says to me, "You can do it. Let's try again." I can do anything with her. With her! Wow! That's great, teacher! You're the best teacher in the world. You're the best. You're really, really good to us. So good. It's so much fun to study with you. You're the best teacher in the world. You're the best. Dear teacher, thank you so much. Thank you. You're really, really good to us. So good. With all our hearts and love for you. Thank you. And I love you too. You're the best teacher in the world. Thank you, teacher.
I'm not a beast, I'm a ghost, but you know I say. I'm not a stepping man. I said I do not dance. It's a blood inside my pants, and the whole world's in his hands.
When I was lonely, you were with me. When I was silent, you spoke up for me. When I gave up, you gave me strength to stay. When I faltered, you cheered me on. When I doubted, you believed in me. I was lost before you showed the way.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Elsa. Salamat po pagtuturo po sa amin. Ingat din po kayo. God bless. Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day po kay Ma'am Elsa at sa lahat pong naging teacher ko. Thank you po sa inyong lahat.
Teachers, especially Ma'am Elsa, Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day po! Salamat po para magtuturo po sa amin. Ingat po tayo. God bless you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Elsa. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Hi, Ma'am Elsa. Thank you so much for being kind and inspiring. I wish you all the best. Stay safe and be careful. Happy Teacher's Day po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Elsa. I love you!
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Elsa. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin at sa paggabay niyo po sa amin. God bless po.
Teacher's Day to all teachers out there, especially to Ma'am Elsa. God bless po.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, especially Ma'am Elsa. Thank you for teaching us.
Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers in Pio Valenzuela Elementary School, especially to Ma'am Elsa Bobet and all of my subject teachers, and thank you for teaching us.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Elsa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtuturo at maging pangalawang magulang. Happy Teacher's Day po. God bless.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Elsa. Thank you po sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin at paggagabay. God bless.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers, especially to Mrs. Elsa Bobis. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Bobes. At salamat po sa lahat ng teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng teacher, lalo na po kay Ma'am Elsa. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. God bless po. Lagi po kayo mag-iingat.
To
all of my teachers, especially you, Teacher Elsa, thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day sa mga teacher ko, lalo na kay Ma'am Elsa Bobes. Happy Teacher's Day sa lahat ng teachers. Especially to Ma'am Elsa Bobes. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Elsa. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin. Thank you po. Tapos, God bless po.
Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers, especially po Ma'am Elsa Bobes.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Elsa. At saka po sa iba pong teacher. Ingat po kayo. At po, God bless you po.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Bobes. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin.
Because of you.